Hi everybody, it's Kirsten from the Art Gallery. Today I'm going to show you how to draw basic plant drawings. I hope you enjoy. Hi everybody, alright, so I'm going to show you how to draw some really cute potted plants. So you can start with a pencil and sketch it out, follow along, but I'm going to jump right in with markers so it's easy to see. So with our plants, I think I'm going to draw a cactus first, and I always start with the pot. For the pot, I just do an oval shape on the top and then bring it 2 lines down the sides and another slight oval at the bottom. There's our basic pot. Now I didn't fill this in at the back because my cactus is going to come up from here, but if you're doing pencil, you could definitely sketch out your whole oval shape. Alright, now I'm going to go in with a fine tip green marker, and I'm just going to do a funky little cactus. Again, just like a big oval shape. And this one, I'm going to give funky little bunny ear looking cactus pieces. So there's the basic shape of my cactus. Then I'm just going to use my marker and come down some lines, just tracing the shape. It's okay if you have stops and starts in your lines. I think it makes it look cooler that way. To finish it off, you could add some little flowers on your cactus and of course decorate the pot. You can have lots of fun decorating the pots. That's my favorite bit. Something like that. Maybe I will just clean up my pot edges right there and maybe outline it in a slightly darker color to make it pop. For the dirt area, you can fill it in with brown or just a darker color. So there's a cactus. Now let's do like a hanging plant over on this side. I'm going to start with the pot again, slight oval shape, and this one will be a rounded bottom one, I think. So just a semicircle there. Of course, our plant has to hang from something, so we're going to add 3 lines. These are our ropes that are hanging it. You can add some ropes around the bottom, whatever you think looks cool. Something like a basket holding thing. And for this one, I think I'll do like a pothos type of plant. Pothos leaves are shaped like this. It's almost like a heart shape. And then do a couple lines down where you picture your vines coming. Then we'll just add more leaves. You can add them very spaced evenly like that. You could clump them all together like this. You could add another little stem and then add your leaf. Whatever you like. And I'm doing this really fast, but you could take your time on it and really get nice little details in the leaves and the pots. Let's add a couple more up here just to fill it out. I wish my pothos plant looked this good. All right, and let's just add a straight line across the back. It's like the back of our table where these plants are sitting on. And we can add shadows if we want. The key with shadows is to pretend that the sun is coming from a direction and the shadows are along on the other side. So like this. You just copy what you kind of already have there. You can even add shadows onto your plants if you wanted. You could get more colors and add it into your plant to give it more dimension, a little more excitement. Possibilities, as always, are endless. And that's how I draw potted plants. I made a couple other ones earlier in different styles. Here's a really simple one that I made into a card. And here's a slightly more detailed one with lots of fun little bits and bobs, like a mug, a cup, a book, funky pattern on the wallpaper. Options, as always, are endless. So go make art. Bye!